CSP Molson Singh, Registry of Honor. Here is recent. Concluding my speech, I would like to echo the words of Dr. Rajesh.
Here today to commemorate a momentous occasion. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution, a living document that shaped the destiny of our Republic. This day, celebrated as Samvidhan Divas, is an occasion to reflect on the vision of our founding fathers and the enduring principles that form the bedrock of our democracy. Our Constitution is not just a legal text. It is a vision, it is a promise, and a pathway to justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. It represents the hopes, struggles, and minds and sacrifices of the freedom fighters who dreamt of an India that would uphold dignity for all. One of the most remarkable features of our Constitution is its inclusiveness. Dr. Babasaheb B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee, along with other great minds, crafted a document that embraced diversity, religious, linguistic, cultural, and social. Today, as we commemorate this day in 2025, it is important to reflect on what the Constitution expects from us. The Constitution not only gives us fundamental rights such as freedom of speech, freedom of religion, equality before law, and protection of life and liberty, but it also reminds us of our fundamental duties. These duties include preserving the rich heritage, developing scientific temper, and to abjure violence. As responsible citizens, it is our duty to protect the spirit of the Constitution. This does not require grand gestures. It simply means following the law, respecting others' rights, participating in democratic process, standing against injustice, and contributing to the progress of society. Let us also remember that democracy thrives because of informed, aware, and active citizens. In conclusion, I would like to remind ourselves of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's powerful words. I quote, "Constitution is not a mere law's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of the age." Unquote. On this special day, may we all carry forward that spirit with commitment, with responsibility, and with pride.